on the heavy side right now. It is a little bit. Definitely keep an eye on it. Shop made a nice move here in pre-market. Shop very light volume though. Right now we are flagging and holding support line. So my support is this is your support line here at the 96, 96.75 is where I have a support. So right now flagging. Keep an eye on this one to break above your double top here. My next resistance is a little bit higher though of that double top. So just a little bit higher. So be careful with breaking out. You're going to come up to the first resistance. All right. On shop. Baba, the Chinese stocks, huh? Keep an eye on those Chinese stocks. If today we were talking about it yesterday for a pull, all right? It made a beautiful move, got a pull. Right now we are holding support, and you want to see this one come down and retesting that support line down here before we can pull it lower on Baba. Pen W. This one is Pen W. Hmm. Nah, leave that one. So let's see what BA wants to do. Definitely, Mister. If you get one more push, PDD. If you can get one more push out of it to get this one. This one, if we can get it up there to a double top, and then look for it for a pull. All right. So let's see if we can get one more push out of it. Right now, you're getting a nice trend on PDD with a beautiful channel in it. So definitely, let's see if we can make one more push, get it up here, and then we'll look at it again on PDD, right? Does anybody have any news on this BA? You have anything, Kajura? No, nada.
Looks
Hmm,
like they got an order from Japan for some planes. That could help it.
right.
Um,
All right, all right. So coin coming out to that resistance here, hit that resistance. You see how many times you are thinking, oh, it's breaking out of resistance up here, right? Breaking out of resistance, right? And you are hitting that resistance point, which is actually just a little bit higher. That's why it's so bloody dangerous many times if you don't know where your resistance is, right? All right, let's see what else we have. VST for Dina, just
yes.
grinding sideways here on VST, Dina.
Mhm.
Just grinding sideways. You are coming up, hitting resistance here. Doesn't have it has a little bit issues breaking over. So definitely keep an eye on it to break over this 26. You're gonna find 20, 27, and then all the way up there to 28.60. Your support on VST. Well, your first line of support would be this 24.
24.
Arm, yeah. Arm, nice grindways, sideways action on arm. You have a support at the 119. You break under the 119 on arm, you're gonna pull. All right. 119. And AMD giving us a little bit of a pullback, still flagging, not breaking down yet, sitting at support. Next support you're going to find would be that 10320 on AMD. So it's still holding and flagging right now. All right, does anybody else have anything? Any
Thank
other
you.
tickers? You're welcome, Dina. Any other tickers? Right now, SPY is trying to hold. So keep an eye on your
And Jenny, thanks for going over all these every day with us.
Of course, you're welcome.
We appreciate that.
You're welcome, Dina. Any other ticker you guys want to talk about? Well done, Ken. So let me zoom out here a little bit so we better can see what's happening. Getting a little bit of a pop here on PDD. So what's this if we can get it, this one up to a double top, we said, right? Intel, Google, PLTR, got it. Yeah, PLTR is a beautiful setup. I like PLTR here, this setup you are having, holding support and flagging, right? So let's see if we can get that move on it on PLTR. Don't trust anything before it happens, right? You got to see an action in the market and you're going to react. Don't react before the action because don't what I mean is don't you make the action, all right? Let the
I love
stock
it.
market give you the action and you're going to make the reaction, all right? Don't expect the market to do the reaction versus your action, if that makes sense, all right?
Crystal clear.
Crystal, that's great.
Jenny's crystal ball.
That is great.
He's got one. He's got one.
We got one.
Candace has one too.
Mhm. All right, we got another less than 3 minutes. Malik, crowd, CRWD, crowd. Breaking 374. Breaking 374. 374. Well, for you to break to get up to 374, well, I have a resistance at 374.15, but you need to take care of your resistance of you need to break through resistance of 369. So what's that resistance? 369. Nvidia coming up and retesting resistance here. You want to push through. So let's see if this is the day today where we're gonna get a little bit of a push. All right. Don't trust anything, all right? Don't say, all right, today's the day when the buyers is gonna come in. Doesn't work like this. Look at the huge pop on Apple right now. Huge pop on Apple. Huge. Do we want to see a push? Yeah, sure. We like to see a push today. But are we gonna get it? So just because stocks playing with you, right? We have the chosen one later on. How do you say the chosen one in French? Le chosen one? No. Le le something. Here we go. Pull on Tesla. Nvidia is having a little bit issues breaking over resistance here still. Come on, push, 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 push. Want to see that push on SPY here, right? Move your stops and all. Don't trust anything, especially at the open, all right? Nice push on Nvidia coming up to the next resistance. Tesla is doing absolutely nothing. Um, so we got a little bit of a pop. Coin, it's trying. Coin is trying. PLTR, beautiful push. Come on, Tesla, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, Tesla. Come on, you. Come on, push. There you go. Really? Come on, push through. Come on, Tesla. Don't be a meow. Come on, push, 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 you bastard. Go, go, go. Let's see. Nothing else. Nothing else. Anything else? Apple, nice move on Apple, definitely. I don't know what's up with Apple as well, but beautiful push coming up to 215 right now on Apple. Come on, Tesla, push higher. Just move your stops, all right? Whatever you do, up or down, Apple is pushing higher. The move we are getting right now on Tesla, at least, is very, very slow, controlled. Just move your stops up. Don't let it pull on you. Apple pushing higher. PLTR flying. PDD. What a short. Beautiful short on PDD. All right. We wanted this one to make a little bit of a pop if we can get it as high as possible. And look at the dump on PDD. Other ones, ARM, beautiful short. Mr. Short. SMCI short. Coin short. This Tesla is still not to be too confident with it. All right. Do not be overconfident with Tesla right now. Move your stops. Look at Nvidia pop and dump, right? Well done, Gajora. Guys, we are getting a lot of beautiful shorts, huh? PLTR, look at this pull on PLTR, my God. Look at this. Breaking under support here, or at least trying to. By pulling, taking things down with it. Mr. Reddit, PDD, Coin, SMCI, now PLTR, Carvana, ARM, Nvidia holding support here barely. And that's what we are saying. Do not trust anything on the way up now.
Jenny, look at ARM.
Yeah, I see ARM. Beautiful dump, huh?
Yeah, good entry.
Yeah, exactly. Mhm. That was an amazing event. What are you talking about? 2 hours. Oh my God. Yeah. Right now, Nvidia's barely holding, came down, touched that support line and bounced. We need to get that SPY to dump, right? Yes, the chosen one. Hmm. And thanks, Kajora. Yeah, I see it. Beautiful short. Read it. Kajora, can you hear me when I talk? Okay. VD is still holding here, Kajora, or at least trying to. Same thing with PLTR holding support. Right now, we are not going anywhere, right? You mean the one yesterday? The one yesterday, right? Yeah, 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 yeah. Hmm. Yeah, I believe that. I don't believe it was autonomous. Otherwise, it wouldn't be moving like this and making jokes and stuff. Good morning, Red. He was remotely controlled by a robot. Take it down. Here comes Spy. Here comes Spy. Come on, Spy. Hitting that support here right now. Want to lose that support here on Spy. We are on the heavy side right now. Yeah, Apple made a beautiful move today, definitely. What's happening with what was the other one? BA? What did that one do? Did it pull? Mhm. Right now, Spy is trying to hold. We are still on the heavy side. So I would like to see that Spy give it up here. take it down to the next level. Look at your PLTR, Kajora. Look at the SPY push here right now of that support. Boom. Damn it. So that's why be very cautious, guys. I mean, we are not going anywhere right now on SPY. We are just jumping between up and down, right? That's Kajora. Well done. Pew pew. All right, guys. Let me show you this BA here, right? So it came down to support, broke over your flag, made a pop, right? So right now you are almost at the next resistance, just a little bit more. You are coming up to that 172 resistance point on BA here. So just, I mean, you have just a little bit more before you're going to hit that next resistance on BA. So if anybody is in it, you need to take some profit here, leave some on the table and see if you can push it over that resistance line. Tesla right now, this is where we are doing right now. Choppiness, choppiness. Nvidia gave us a nice little pull, but right now just sideways action. So today, Tesla is doing absolutely nothing. All right, BA almost at this resistance point. Tesla almost there. So Tesla is coming down to that support here, the first one. It's just on. And then Nvidia coming up to the first resistance here, and SPY almost at the next resistance area. Apple is still pushing, coming up to the next resistance here on Apple. So you're hitting the next resistance here of 217.73. MSTR hitting resistance of 294.25. Coin hitting resistance 187.45. Tesla is holding. Nvidia having issues breaking over resistance. Same thing goes for SPY right now. Nvidia coming up and wants to retest resistance. Yeah. Do we have any questions in there? All right, let me check. Good morning, everybody listening and watching. I know nothing about this. All right. What's going on with BA? Yeah, that's what I was wondering too. But BA right now, Kurt, it's coming up to that 72 resistance of that support line, having issues breaking through. Volume is low on it, so be very cautious with it right now. We are between support and resistance, doesn't want to do anything at the moment. So definitely, if you want to long it, I don't know if you're already in it of that support area, but if you're in it, you need to watch and see if you can break over that 72, right? Hola, Darcy, first time listener, France. What is that? Question: what's a good platform to begin learning how to trade on? Um, that would be learning. I mean, paper trading, right? So if you want a paper trade, that's we are saying this to everybody: paper trade, paper trade, paper trade. I mean, that's the only way you're gonna train yourself, right? There are a couple of a lot of platforms actually have paper trading. Uh, I think Webull is one of them. Um, Webull, but many should have this paper trading. Definitely learning something every day. Thanks for doing this show. What's up? Curious if anyone gets a question answered. I myself am very curious about day trading versus traditional investment. Yeah, two different things, Blade. Two totally different things, right? Um, yeah, we can dig deeper um, if anybody wants to know more about one versus the other. I mean, day trading, you are in and out, right? In and out, same day. Investment, that's another ball game. You got to know about the company. You got to know about the CEO. You got to know about what's in the pipeline. You got to know so many things about the company before and start investing in it, right? Nice pop we are getting here, going through. Nice push on MSTR. Coin still having issues breaking through. Apple monster today, coming up to 118.57. Um, Nvidia broke over. What's the next resistance? Nice push on SPY, taking things up. Anybody else? Any questions? Any questions? Anybody? Whatever you guys want to talk about. So BA is just having a little bit issues here, but look how it's trading and how slow and not moving. The volume coming in is only 37,000. So there is nothing in there right now on BA. Um, so if anybody else have any questions, whatever you guys want to talk about. Move your stops up. Move your stops up, take profit. Kurt, how long have you all been trading? Oh man, that's many, many years, Kurt. Many years. And that's not just me, it's, I don't know, 20, 30, so many years. Is there an opportunity to join the Discord? Yes, there is. Tesla, just a minute, and I will post it here, Dan, Dean. See, Tesla is coming up to the next resistance here. SPY still holding that support, all right? We are holding that support. So let's see if we're gonna push this Tesla now. Want to push through, hold it above, all right? Dean, Dean, here you go. Your your invite. SPY's holding. Says less having issues. That's why you always taking profit at resistance areas, right? Yeah, Plura, come on, push it, right? Yeah, I want that too. I want that push as well, Plura. SPY right now holding that support. Came down, touched that support, and holding here for now. The same thing goes for Nvidia. BA is slowly coming up and wants to retest, and Tesla is still having issues. Jora KBSX. KBSX. Yeah, nice push it's doing right now. Thanks, Kajora. BA hitting resistance, Nvidia dropping under support. Tesla is still having issues. The only good thing is right now Tesla, this SPY is holding, but it's getting heavier and heavier. The SPY, I mean, all right. So you could see that SPY break under that support and give us a pull, taking everything down with it. So just be cautious now with that SPY not to break. Careful with Tesla. Don't trust Tesla. Okay, Ken, have fun, man. You're not giving anything back. Good. That's the way. That's the spirit. Keep your profit. Don't give them back. Dina, VST, NVIDIA, ARM, Oracle, all good. Well done, Dina. All right. All right. Sure. Okay, Kajora. Have fun.